In today's video, I'm going to show you how I prepare this powerful hairspray using just one ingredient that has contributed greatly to my hair growth. This ingredient has helped to strengthen my hair strands, stop breakage on my hair, and also contributes to the softness and the shine. So if you use this consistently, it's going to contribute a lot to your hair growth, and it's going to stop breakage on your hair, and you'll be able to retain a lot of hair. So let's dive into the video. I measure about 2 tablespoons of fenugreek to prepare this hairspray. I measure about 2 tablespoons of fenugreek, and then I'm going to add boiling water to it. Before you stop this video, just hear me out. Maybe you've used fenugreek before, but I'm going to show you in this video how to use it the right way. So just stick to the end of the video and you're going to see the best way to use fenugreek in such a way that you will not have any setbacks whatever the hair type you have. So after adding this boiling water, I'm going to let this fenugreek stay in it like this. I cover it, put it in an airtight container, please, so that the nutrients will not evaporate with in the air, but will remain inside the fenugreek. Now you notice that the water was not really much. That's why I had to add water into it so as to easily extract, you see, the juice from it. So you can use more water when you're making yours. Don't be economical with the water as I did. So add more of the boiling water compared to the fenugreek, so that when it swells, at least you have some juice in it. So the next thing I do is to strain out this the particles of fenugreek from it, the seeds. In fact, I strain it out. It's very important to do that so that you don't get those particles stuck in your hair. It used to take me a lot of time to take out those particles, so I use a cheesecloth for that. You can also use a tight sieve, but I prefer the cheesecloth because it permits me to really squeeze out those seeds, whereas with the sieve it's more difficult to strain it. So that is it. Next, I transfer it into a bottle, and then I'm going to put it in my spray bottle. Now I add another. This is where I was saying that you should be careful, guys. I also add aloe vera juice into my fenugreek. Yes, because fenugreek contains proteins. It has a high level of protein, iron, nicotinic acid, and lecithin. All of this strengthen hair growth, the hair from the roots. But now you don't want this to be, if you have problems with protein, so you should add this aloe vera to also add moisture into this mixture. And then I'm going to add another tip at the end so that you don't experience protein overload on your hair. So now I'm applying this spray on my hair. I apply it from the roots up to the tips of the hair, so I make sure that every hair strand is really soaked with it. If you've watched to this point, I want to say thank you so much. If you've not yet subscribed, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. That will do a great deal to help it grow. As you see, this is my hair growth oil. If you want to learn about it, I have a video in the on the channel about how I make this hair growth oil. So I also sealed all of this moisture, all these ingredients in with this hair growth oil. And then guys, I'm going to keep it like this on my hair for 30 to 45 minutes. So after applying it, what I'll do is that I'll wrap up my hair. So I go in sections as usual. When I finish with this first section, I'm going to wrap it up, then continue with all the other sections, and then when I'm through, I will wrap everything up, and then I tie my hair with a plastic bag, and then I keep it like that in that plastic bag so that it heats up for like 30 to 45 minutes. Then after that, I'm going to shampoo my hair. and then I go on to deep condition my hair. So this is why I was saying that if you have problems with protein, just do it this way and then you have no problem. Have you ever used fenugreek before? Please type fenugreek in the comment section. I read all comments. I would really like to know. So see you in the next video.